Papa, God bless you, bro. Eh? I don't notify you. Village people. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Come on, join here. Good evening, guys. How are we doing today? How was your day? Welcome to my live. Welcome, guys. Welcome, 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 welcome. How you doing? Some people are watching me from morning, afternoon, night, evening. I don't know what's your time, but if you're here watching me, let me know where you're watching me from. Let me know where you're watching me from. Say hi to me, I will say hi to you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good evening. Welcome to my live. How are you doing? Not so now. Not so. Pop calls. How are you? Hola. Hola, hola. Hola, hola. How are you? How are you doing today? I hope you're good. Hola. Welcome, guys. Welcome, 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 guys. How are you doing today? Please just send a chat in the comment section. I'm good too. Send your chat in the comment section so that I will know where you're chatting me from and where you're watching me from. Sometimes it's always nice for us to see those who are watching us. Yeah, it's very important. Biggie, hola, hola, gold, 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 goldnado, goldnado. Thank you. What do you mean by white? Oh, goldnado, you're watching me all the way from England. Good evening, welcome. How are you doing today? How is England today? I hope you are fine. How are you? How is your family? How is your friends? How is your loved ones? Am I white? No, I'm black. Can't you see me? I'm black. I have a dark skin. Hey, you're from Lisbon. Okay, how is Lisbon? Oh, this Lisbon must be a beautiful country, yeah? I hope to visit some days. Yeah, Lisbon. I know there's one of my friends who is a YouTuber. He always said he's based in Lisbon. You are color blind. Okay. Well, I don't understand that, but it's fine. I don't understand that. But all the same, I'm just here to chat, gist with my friends, everybody who is here. You are all welcome. You are all the VIPs. You know, one thing about my life is everybody that comes to my live stream, they are special. And you can still go watch my videos, my previous videos, and then you check them out and you watch them. And if you enjoy it, subscribe. All right? If you love Lulu, listen. If you love lifestyle, you know, subscribe. And let's see how it goes, man. Lifestyle entertainment. Welcome, welcome, Luciana. Luciana, where's my gift? Any gift for your friend? Tap, 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 tap. So, welcome, guys. Welcome, 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 welcome. So, where are you watching me from? Let me know where you're watching me from. Let's know, let's know, let's know, let's know. So that we can greet you specially, yeah? Luciana, thank you for the tab. Gotlando, all the way from Lisbon. Where are you watching from? Let's communicate. Jenny, welcome. On my YouTube, I just said, who is this person that's going to be the first person to send me gifts, like on my YouTube? Because since I've been on YouTube, I've not received super thanks, I've not received a super chat, I've not received a membership. So sometimes I say, who will be that first person? The first one that will send me a super chat. You have created history on my YouTube, because every day or anytime I make my YouTube video and make reference to super chat or super thanks, then you'll be the first person that will mention. And I'm looking forward to the kind of person who's going to break that record. It's something that will make me to be talking about it almost like all the time. Because it's very important. Yeah, guys, let's comment, let's know, let me know where you're watching me from. Let's comment, let's comment, let's comment. Let's know where you're watching me from so that we can greet you specially. Or should I remove my glasses? Okay. You guys see me now. See me without glasses. How are you? You know, sometimes anytime you do something in this life, people want to talk about it. Yeah, guys, you're welcome. Everybody, you're welcome. Let us know where you're watching us from. Yeah, it's because of my lights that is here. That's why I need to put these glasses, to protect my eyes.